In this video, we're going to talk about the nominative case. This is the first of the cases of pronouns. And the nominative case is when the pronoun is actually in the subject part of the sentence. Remember back from chapter 1, a sentence is two parts. It is the subject and the predicate. The subject is before the verb and the predicate is after the verb. So in this case, any of the pronouns would be in the subject. The pronouns that are nominative are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Some examples here, as your book shows you. I create websites for my clients. I is the person speaking, that is the pronoun. It's in the subject. You learned how to operate the new system. You is the pronoun, and it is in the subject. Learned is the verb, so this is the subject. It can be a compound also. He and his cousin buy computer magazines. He and his cousin are compound subject. So he would be the nominative case pronoun. Buy is the verb, so he is in the subject portion. It can also be used as a predicate pronoun. Remember, the predicate is what comes after the verb. So if it's on that end of the sentence, it's called a predicate pronoun. Linking verbs are also used here, and the linking verb is any form of the word be. So it's usually the am, is, are, was, and were. Those are your most common forms of be, but there are a few extras it shows here. And these are the linking verbs. Anytime a pronoun is used as a predicate pronoun, remember the second part of the sentence after the verb, it follows a form of be. So that would be am, is, are, was, were, or a few of these others. For example here, it was he who designed the brochure. It is a subject, the verb is was, and he who designed the brochure is the predicate part of the sentence. Was is a form of be, and he is your pronoun. Puts it into as a predicate pronoun because it's following the form of be. Let's see if there's anything on this next page. If I can get it to turn here. There we go. Here's another example. The most popular speaker was she. The most popular speaker is the subject. Is she is the verb and predicate. She is your predicate pronoun. It follows a form of be, am, is, are, was, and were. So is your form of be. So let's take a look at this try it here. It wants you to know and find out what the nominative case pronoun is in each one. They made appointments to get physicals. They is your pronoun. It's in the subject. That makes it a nominative case pronoun. Eric and he are the night duty nurses. Eric and he is the subject. He is your pronoun. It's in the subject, so that makes it a predicate pronoun. The most experienced cardiologist is she. The most experienced cardiologist is your subject. Is she is your predicate. Is a form of be. That makes this a predicate pronoun. So that gives you a few examples on the predicate case, and we will do the objective next.